Right now, the entire content side of my business is run by one person. Me. The videos, the writing, and the ideas, all of it. There is no team I hired for it, and no extra payroll. And here is the part that sounds fake. It puts out about 5 times more than I ever could before. Because the whole content operation runs on one paid plan, $100 a month. So I am going to show you the exact system that lets one person produce like a whole team, on real screens, so you can build it for yourself. Let me show you what that $100 actually replaced. To make this much content the old way, I would have hired people, a researcher, a writer, an editor, and someone to build. That is a payroll of $10,000 easily every month before anyone ships a thing. Or measure it in time. What I have put out in the last month or two, doing it all by hand, would have taken me 8 to 10 months. I compressed most of a year into a couple of months. But here is the part that actually matters. The $100 is not the secret. Anyone can pay $100 and still be completely stuck. The real change is that I stopped being the worker and I became the manager. I do not do the work anymore. I direct a team that does. So let me show you how to build that team for yourself on real screens. Forget one big genius doing everything. Real work moves through a team where each one owns a single job. First, a researcher. Its only job is to go and find the truth. Real numbers, real sources, no guessing. You give it a question, and it comes back with the facts. That hands off to a writer. The writer does not research. It takes what the researcher found and turns it into the draft. The draft hands off to an editor. Its only job is to make it sharp and to make it sound like you. Then, a builder. This is the one that actually makes the thing. The page, the tool, the file you can open. Now, here's what turns these from a pile of chats into a machine. On top of all of them, you put a director, an orchestrator. It does not do the work itself. It takes what you want, decides who does what and in what order, and passes the output from one hand to the next. And here is the seat almost everyone leaves out. A reviewer, a critique step whose only job is to catch what is wrong before anything ships. Weak writing, a wrong number, a claim that will not hold up. Without it, your machine does not just make mistakes. It makes them fast, confidently, and it publishes them to the whole world. That one review step is the difference between a system you can trust and a very expensive way to embarrass yourself. And if this sounds like a nice theory, it is not. Anthropic, the company that makes the model, tested this exact idea. A team of agents, with one directing the rest, beat their single strongest model working alone by about 90%. A coordinated team beats a lone genius. That is not my opinion. That is their own research. So here is the whole thing, small enough to steal. One director, a handful of specialists, each owning a single job, work handed cleanly from one to the next, and a review step at the end before anything goes out the door. That is how one person on $100 a month can produce like a whole team. Now, you do not build all of it on day one. You build one seat. And the one to start with is the writer, because it is the seat you will use every single day. So, I already made a full video that shows you how to set up that first agent, step by step, on a completely free account. It is right here on the screen. In it, I build the writer with you from scratch, and you walk away with your first agent actually working by the end. The prompt pack that runs it is a free download too. So go and watch that one next. Build your first seat, get it working, and get a real feel for handing off a job and getting finished work back. Then, when you are ready to wire up the full team, the researcher, the builder, the editor, the director, and that reviewer, all working together, that is the paid blueprint. Because here is the honest part I will leave you on. When I built this, I thought the hard part would be the technology. It was not. The hard part was learning to let go. Learning to hand a real job to something that is not me and to trust the system to finish it. The day I stopped doing the work and started running the team that does is the day one person started producing like a company. So do not just watch this and nod along. Go and build your first agent. That video is right here and it is completely free. I will see you inside it.